Okay, at this time we're going to be looking at counting with our time signatures. What time signatures are, it tells you how many beats are in a measure and what kind of note is going to receive one beat. So we're going to be looking at 2/4, okay? 2 beats to the measure and a quarter note gets one beat. We're going to be looking at 3/4, otherwise referred to as a waltz tempo. And that's going to be 3 beats to the measure and a quarter note gets one beat. And then we'll be looking at 6/4. 6 beats to a measure and a quarter note gets one beat. Okay, so we're going to have 3 little pieces here applying various time signatures. Okay, so what you want to do, you can apply it with a metronome. The metronome still, if you have a metronome, make sure you don't have it set so it's accenting. Okay, it's best to maybe shut the accent off or accent it on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So by having the accent be, of course, be on the one beat. It's best, I think, when learning to count like this, to maybe turn the accent part of the metronome marking off, so it's just you get a steady click. Okay. What I'm going to do for you right now is I'm going to audibly count for you, so you can clearly see where the beats are coming in. And what you're going to do in the left hand, you're going to be playing single letters. Okay, single letters only, and you'll have a situation in this particular piece here where you see C/E. That's where you put an E in the left hand. Okay. But yeah, we'll get to it right now and take a look at it. 2/4 time, starting off. Here we go. Starting off, 2 beats to the measure. Okay, so we're going to count right up front. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you're going to go to C/E, go to an E in the left hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See clearly how there's only 2 beats in every single bar? Okay? Now let's go over to the 3/4. And I have some fingering here that's going to be, you can adhere to. It would kind of help you out, starting on the 3rd finger here. Just the fingering will assist you in better hand positioning of the up and coming notes. Okay? Starting off, we'll do 2 bars out front. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's that C/E again, which means that it's a C chord, but they want an E in the bass. Okay, the bass note. So there's 2/4 and 3/4. See the difference? Essentially, you're counting the same thing, but you're in each bar you're ending in 3/4. You're ending with only 3 beats. 2/4 you're ending with 2 beats. So you're still counting the same value. You'll see more in 3/4, more dotted halves. The dotted half signifying the whole bar. There's 3 beats there. 6/4 is going to look very unusual because you're going to see 6, like the first bar, you see 6 quarter notes. 6 beats to the measure, and a quarter note gets 1 beat. A nice way to think about time signatures, when you see 6/4, the top number tells you how many beats are in the measure. Okay. The bottom number, if you turn it into a fraction, take the 6 out of there and put a 1 over the 4, that tells you a quarter is a fraction, and that tells you a quarter note gets 1 beat. You know, there's other time signatures like 3/8, 3 beats to the measure, and an 8th note gets 1 beat. You know, we'll be seeing 6/8 and some other time signatures to come. But right now, let's take a look at 6/4. 6/4 is really, it's going to feel very similar to 3/4 because you're going to still feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're still going to feel that 3 beat halfway point. And you'll also see in the bars here, they're very clearly defined in the 6/4. You'll be able to see 3 and 3 equals 6 in a bar. You know, you'll be able to see that, like in the first bar of the last line here. You'll see 3/4 notes and then a half to a quarter. You'll see clearly the halfway point in the bar. Okay, let's take a listen to 6/4. Okay, this is really very interesting, and it's better preparing you for stuff you're going to see down the road. 4/4 is typically the more common time signature, but you want to be ready for these. Okay, here we go. So starting off, letters in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, won't count it this time. I'm going to play it quick. Isn't that nice? Nice little piece. Now, what you're going to see in the very last measure, a dotted half note. I mean, a dotted whole note. Dotted whole note. Dotted half note we know is 3 beats. When you add a dot to a note, you add half of the value to it. A whole note already gets 4 beats, right? When you add a dot to it, you're going to take half of 4, which is 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6 beats. That's what that's all about. So you learn what a dotted whole note is, and you're going to see 6/4, 3/4, and 2/4 in this piece. Enjoy time signatures, getting you ready for stuff down the road, okay? And so just adjust your counting, looking at the time signature as well as the key signature on all the pieces of material that you should find yourself.